To Italians, nothing is more important than family and food. I'm going to show you how to cook proper Italian recipes just like me. From risotto to pasta, these are the dishes I grew up eating. This is Italian food made easy.
Mambo Italiano, try an angelada with the fish bacala.
Today I'm making the ultimate family favorite and what we Italians are famous for. Of course, pizza! Born out of Naples in the late 18th century, pizza as we know it is one of the most widely celebrated foods in the world. And because I'm Neapolitan, I think it's only right that I'm going to show you how to make a proper traditional Neapolitan pizza. We're going to make la pizza margherita. If you follow my instructions, trust me, everything is going to be okay and you're going to feel like you are under the Vesuvius eating the pizza margherita. So where do we start? Get yourself a nice large bowl. This is where we're going to start our dough. In there, we're going to put 800 grams of 00 strength flour. Then add salt, extra virgin olive oil, castor sugar, and fresh yeast. Get yourself a wooden spoon and use the back of the wooden spoon. So you start to mix, mixy. Water goes in and keep going with a wooden spoon. Use all the water here, by the way. Gently, you just fold in the dough like I'm doing. Like that. You want to do this for 10 minutes? Just leave it like that. Remember the bowl where we mix everything together? You put it upside down, you're gonna cover it, and you're gonna leave it there for 20 minutes. Meanwhile, I'm going to show you how to make the tomato sauce for the margherita. Cans of chopped tomatoes. You can get them anywhere you want. So get your hands in there and squeeze the tomato through your finger so you make the chopped tomato even finer. Then add salt and extra virgin olive oil. Followed by the star of Italian cooking, fresh basil. And when you smell, oh, well, 10, 12, 15 leaves, whatever you want. Just mix everything together. You can cover with cling film, leave it in the fridge. Half an hour before you're ready to cook the pizza, you got your sauce ready. Your dough should have now doubled in size. Divide this dough into 5 pieces. So once we have the strips of dough, very gently, just put them all together. And that's how we do it. These can now be set aside to prove. Now listen up, I'm about to tell you the key to pizza perfection. First thing, you need to get yourself a nice pizza stone like that and put it about 10 centimeters away from the heat, because what we're doing, keep the oven close, we need to put this oven as highest as we can, 250, 260, if we can, even to 300 degrees. And whilst the oven preheats and your dough proves again, you can kick back and relax.
Tell me quando.
For me, that means having some time to read the Italian paper. The sports section, of course. Okay, let's make pizza. You're just gonna stretch it out. Once you got that, get yourself a nice wooden shovel. You want to lift the pizza and pour on the wooden shovel. Then guys, pomodoro, leave a good centimeter from the border. Top with sliced mozzarella. Then we're gonna do a little drizzle of extra virgin olive oil, more fresh basil. Now is the time when I need you to be confident. That's what you do, look. And close it straight away. Just be patient, 5 to 6 minutes. Oh, yes! Vieni qua, vieni qua. Oh. This is a proper slice of Naples.